Welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn something important. How to create a world or any country map for free, perfect for videos, presentations, or other projects. You can create maps like this, and this. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm personally using this site because it's user-friendly and free to use. Step 1. Accessing MapChart.net. First, search for MapChart.net. This is the main page. At the top, you'll find several options, such as creating a world map or selecting specific types of maps. Let's start by creating a few maps. Example 1. Creating a map of India. Here, you can select your country. If your country isn't listed, don't worry. I'll show you a solution later. Let's choose a random country, for example, India. Once selected, you'll see the full map of India. If you want to hide disputed areas, you can simply click on an option for that. Every country has this feature, so don't get me wrong if you're Indian or Pakistani, it's just part of the tool. Now, this is a blank map. If you want to display state names, just click a button and all the names will appear. You can also hide borders or state names if needed. Step 2. Highlighting states. Let's highlight some states. 1. Click on the color box to pick a color. 2. Select a state to highlight. Let's start with Rajasthan. 3. Repeat this process for other states. I've selected 5 states and labeled them as follows. Rajasthan, famous for its desert. Kerala, known for its lush greenery. Goa, represented in blue for its beaches. Maharashtra, famous for Bollywood. Gujarat, known as a business hub. Once done, you can adjust the labels anywhere on the map and resize them by dragging. To download your map, scroll down and click on Download for free. Example 2. Selecting a country not listed, e.g. Pakistan. What if your country isn't in the list? For example, North Macedonia, Albania, Pakistan, or Afghanistan. Here's what to do. Select the continent your country belongs to, for example, Asia. Scroll down to find your country, Pakistan, and click Isolate Country. Now you'll see only Pakistan displayed on the map. Example 3. Selecting regions or multiple countries. If you need a region like the Middle East, scroll down to find it in the list. Selecting this option shows main cities without country names. On the right side, you can add or hide city names and borders. Let's highlight a few countries. Saudi Arabia in green. Turkey, and so on. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.